Shispa san ngut ki samla ki bayo ya kakadan first division haka secondary school living certificate nakathan bernihat henin kisngi kelayo ban pdang kus nam nauba sosana sultan MLA ka jirang constituency ia kate ka jingpan kup burom la plong ha CTI auditorium hall Mawphor ha ka balai don lang uba wailat miki shila MLA ka jowai kumu kongsan harangkat uba Victor Rani MDC jirang kinong hikai lembat kiwe lapan kup burom mi kite ki shispa san ngut lengba ki mementos bat ki jan kabolong ru ka jingpan shlur ya ki we pat ki samla ki bansa yakun ya ka SSLC habakren kumu kongsan uba wailat miki shila lembat ki we kilayero ya uba sostana sotan uba lashim kia ban kup burom ya ki ne ki khna ki belawan shakhmat ha ka SSLC kabolong kumshi bentaban penshlur ya ki we ki khna uba wailat miki shila ulagan tuye kite ki samla bakimdei ban shuhun tang bakilayo ya kakardan first division henry kide ban yakunteng e shushu wat ban poi shaki kardan ki baha khamat e ro.
You have heard my name. My name is Wailat Miki Shilla, MLA of Tujwai constituency. I'm also the chairman of the Mawphor Limited, and at the same time I'm also the president of the National People Party of the West Giant Hills. So today I realize that why Pak Sabun has called me specific for this program. Specifically for this facilitation program. Because he want to show you student. He want you to show you the student that it is the time of the youth. It is the time of the youth. Because like the other day, yesterday we were having a pynkup festival in my constituency in July. All of you might be knowing. So one union minister came from Delhi. So he was the chief guest. So I was participating in the program, so I couldn't welcome him. So during the program, I went and then I met him and then I just greet him that, sir, you are welcome. I am the local MLA. So he was shocked. He was looking to me from head to toe. And again asking from again, local MLA? He's a local MLA? He was shocked because, as you know, to be a leader, especially MLA, during those times and all other part of the country, they never, it's hardly, they used to choose all those people, no, with the, age, elderly people. But now, like I said, even the people of the state have realized. Because as you know, there are not only me, there are many young MLAs who are in the assembly. And from time to time, we have raised the issue of the youth in the assembly. And I hope you are happy to know that just recently, our government has passed the youth policy. The youth policy, because half of the population of our state, are youth.
Students who have successfully passed. I would like to thank all the party leaders, the felicitation committee who have worked hard, Mr. Balwan Simyong, the chairperson, Babu Jov, Animus, and all the members of the committee who have worked hard for this very special program. Without their hard work, I don't think that this program will be a successful one. We have started facilitating meritorious students since 2018, the time which you have elected me as the MLA. And in 2019, it's the second year. And unfortunately, we have to bear with it for 2 years. We cannot have programs since, due to COVID, the pandemic, which has stopped and stalled everyone. We couldn't move, and we can see only the sufferings of people. So we couldn't have programs for 2 years. That's why for today in on this 16th of July 2022, we are having all these 3 years program in one time. And I would like to express myself that it really makes me very happy and it makes me joyful when I can hear each year any results that comes out, and if the message reach to us that one school, the other school, they are 10, 15, 20 first divisions, and many successful students have performed in their own respective year's exam. It makes us proud, not only for you, but for all of us, and for the teachers, for the principals of each school. If the students will come with flying colors, it will really make the principals, the school authorities, the teachers, the parents feel very proud of.